Hey everyone, I am so glad that you're here. It's DP Addiction Adventures. My name is Jennifer, and I am so excited because this is the first time I have touched this product. That's right. So, Ditzy's Diamond Den blessed me. She said, "You've got to try out the product. I want you." Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, look. It must be turkey time because my feathers are coming out. I'm part turkey. If you watch my lives, you will laugh hysterically because turkeys just love to follow me around. Anyway, sorry I got a little distracted, but Ditzy's Diamond Den, that's why we're here. She sent me this, and look at this. She put, "Don't worry." She wanted it. I think we should have like a million of these stickers and just ask like all craft places to use these stickers, right? Anyway, she sent me this, and I'm super excited. I just cut it open so that I could open it without you seeing me struggle, but I have not looked inside. What is in here? So we're gonna open. Oh, look, looky. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. You guys are seeing this with me. Whee! Look at how cute that is. OMG. Okay, so I'm going to put this down so we can go through it. So the first, I love this. This is a cover minder. Absolutely adorable. Ditzy. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Can you design one of these for me? Oh, that would be fantastic. Anyway, super cute. Cover minder. Now, Ditzy's Diamond Den does more than just cover minders. They are an up-and-coming 3D print for diamond painting and all things 3D print. Very professional diamond painting accessories. And then here is all of her good information, but I'll also put it down below so you don't have to like snapshot this or anything. But if you want, feel free to grab it as well. She is over on, well, I was going to say Etsy, but she's got her own. It's not Etsy. It's ditzydiamondden.com, and this is her holiday limited edition. Oh my goodness. So you got to check it. Check it out. Oh, and she said that she is on Etsy as well, but the prices are much better on ditzydiamondden.com, just so you know. All right. So then we've got this cute little package. Let's see what's in it. Oh my goodness. All things pink. Okay. Oh goodness. It is knotted. It is knotted. It's saying, "I don't want you to get in here and steal all the goodness." Steal all the goodness. Now see, if I knew this was knotted, I may not be doing this live on the channel. But here we go. Here we go. Unknotted. Okay. Got a little pink marker so we can highlight all of our stuff. Cute little stamp. Love the gummies. And then this is adorable. This little thank you. And then she signs it. And then, let's see, what else is in here? Oh, this is a little, like, squishy. It's a flip-flop. And then a little lifesaver. Absolutely cute. Just a nice little thank you. These are what makes shopping small businesses so exciting and fun. All right, so let's see. This is the holiday line. Super excited. What are we going to get? What are we going to get? Okay, let's get some scissors out. Of course, my scissors don't want to work. I have my other scissors in a different part of the house because I know these scissors didn't work, so I stole my other scissors to use. You know, did your mom ever say, "Don't use my craft scissors or my sewing scissors on paper"? And then you always stole them when she wasn't looking, and then she got mad because they didn't ever work. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's so know you want to come home with me. Look at how adorable he is. This is so well made. I know it's 3D printed, but oh, look how adorable. So like a little, you know those 3D animal little fidgets? Oh my gosh, this is so worth it. He is so, so cute. I'm going to have to put him right here as my new little friend. See, he's sitting right up there. Right there. He's going to watch me. He's going to watch me unbox. All right, so then this came like this. I just cut the string. And we're going to see what is in here. It's packaged very nicely so that nothing is going to be harmed unless your mail guy decides to steal things. Oh, so pretty. Look at this tray. Oh, this is gorgeous. It says Happy Holidays 2025. Ditzy Diamond Den. Look at that. It's so smooth. No sharp edges anywhere. And look at the quality of that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let me show you in comparison to a different tray. All right, so here's this tray. Now it's nice. It's a good trinket tray. But if you can see here, where is it? It's not, you know, there's things, because 3D printing is not perfect, right? So like here and down here, like, so it's not perfect. I understand, but this thing weighs probably 4 times more than this. And it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning if you look at the quality. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so here is the matching Happy Holidays. That looks 3D. Does that not look 3D? What did you do to make it look like that? Look, it's like silky. What the heck? All right, so it says Ditzy's Diamond Den 2025. This is a regular, and are we on version 7? They do not stop upgrading if they're already on version 7. Okay, so I know there's a trick to this. Okay. I have not tried a tray. Now I have a couple of them. I just haven't tried it. So I'm going to have to try this out. So it's got the opening here. It's got the ridges here. You also need to look here on the edges. If they go all the way to the top, then your drills get stuck. But they have feathered them. Just super nice. It's white inside. They have 2 types of stoppers. So you can do this type of stopper or that type of stopper. Tell me in the comments, what's the difference? Most of the trays I have just have either this stopper or this stopper. What's the difference in the 2? Please let me know. And then there's this. Now, I don't know what that means. I'll have to ask Ditzy. I need to get like the bouncy tray. There's one that she has that opens. So I need to get that. But it's a certain type of tray. Okay, I'm just making sure these go in. And then you put this in like so. All right, let's get some drills in here. See what happens. Pour some drills. I have some, ooh, right here. I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, so we're gonna shake these around. And they're lining up really nicely. You see that? They hop around really nice. Like now they're not hopping around. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Okay. Beautiful. See, then you can shake, shake, maraca, maraca, maraca. So yes, please, please, please. Oh, Ditzy, you outdid yourself. I need to go. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. But B-U-Y, not B-Y-E. So B-U-Y, Ditzy's Diamond Den. So go check them out. So thank you guys all. I'm going to go try to figure out a name for my new pet from Ditzy'sDiamondDen.com. Check them out. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.